on County Road 112. Roll the windows down, let the smoke roll out like a cigarette I can smell. He was waiting past the wood line when I came by, not giving a damn. When I seen his lights, he was on my ass, but I can't stop right now. I still gotta hide the weed. I'll be damned if I go to jail for 3.5. No sir, you ain't searching me. This ain't my first rodeo.
Hey, I gotta turn it on, man. Come on. Hey, y'all turn it on.
But I still won't take it back. Cause you ain't got a warning, you ain't got a reason. And I'ma smoke when you pull away. So roll on, son. 1 a.m. we hit a roadblock on County Road 32.
Okay.
I said, hide my weed in your titties, girl. I hope you brought your running shoes. He said, pull to the side while you're out so late. And so you better have a good excuse. Because you smell like smoke, but I'll let you go. I said, sir, I'm just passing through. I still gotta hide the weed. I'll be damned if I go to jail for 3.5. No sir, you ain't searching me. This ain't my first rodeo, son, I know my rights. You can go wherever, you can tell them what you want, but it still won't change the past. Cause you ain't got a warning, you ain't got a reason. And
Y'all ready to turn up with it? Come on.
We be riding the roads, getting stoned. We ain't seen no police all night long. So I got brave and thought I'd hit the snow. I seen Smokey on my left, so my gas better hit the floor. I told my buddy hide the weed, just eat as much as you can. He busted open the bag and put a couple buds in my hand. By the time he see my eyes, I swear I was so high. He said, what the hell was y'all doing? I said, officer, I can't even lie, we had to hide the weed. I'll be damned if I go to jail for 3.5. No sir, you ain't searching me. This ain't my first rodeo, son, I